have our property agent, Kelvin. So he introduced us to Yvette, who was doing our defect checks. And so she shared some designs for the house. And we just fell in love with her designs and her creations. And it was a very good and promising relationship that we wanted to continue and see where he went.
What we like about the house is predominantly the colors. Yeah, the colors I think really brings to life the character, and we are very outgoing, and that really brings that to life for us.
I think it was the colors were a big issue because our favorite colors are yellow and blue, and they are very contrasting colors, right? And we didn't want the whole house to look yellow and blue. So when Yvette came up with this eclectic design, it was something that we fell in love with. It's not too cute, it's not too bubblegum, it's something like we can be comfortable with and come home and be happy with the colors in the house. If you see the entrance, there's a little sign that says smile. You know, you feel happy coming home. The colors just brings joy. Our kids, you know, love to go outside and play around in the playground, but since we got the house renovated and started staying here, they want to stay home. It's a nice feeling to know that even our kids love this place. I don't think there were any hiccups, but we had a lot of ideas that were maybe not practical or certain elements of the house that we wanted but we couldn't implement.
And we have some flashes of brilliance or inspiration, and you know, where we suddenly get some ideas and we just reach out to Yvette. I think she was accommodating enough to entertain our ideas and to take them into the design as well. Yeah,
I think there were a few ideas, like for example the room design. There wasn't a design, and it was a very last minute call that Yvette came up with the pattern on the wall, which we loved. So she was very flexible, she was very understanding, she kept us grounded when we had those flashes of brilliance that were impractical, but you know, it all came together very well. So no hiccups, it was all just very smooth sailing and accommodating.
I think
there's a lifetime warranty.
To me, it's mainly about the peace of mind and being able to call someone if we have an issue. We know there's someone that we can turn to, and I think that is a comforting feeling. Yeah. I
think Yvette is brilliant, and we hope that she will have more, you know, clients patronizing her. I think she's really, really good, and yeah, we never expected this, and yeah, we recommend Yvette to anybody. In fact, we did to some of our relatives who are thinking about renovating. Hopefully, we'll see more of her designs in more houses.
Yeah, 5 star.